how to turn on or turn off Text Tone Haptic Vibrations on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, we scroll down and tap on Text Tone. From here, to change the haptics or vibration, tap on Haptics. Then, to switch it off, select None. This will turn off vibrations or haptics on your device. To turn it on, you can choose the default synchronized vibration pattern or select one from the standard list. You can even create your own custom vibration by tapping on Create New Vibration, then tap on here. And then after that, tap on Save, then give it a name, and tap on Saved. Okay, so now we have our own custom vibration pattern as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.